Cosmo Instruments LS-R700 Battery Replacement Procedure. We will now begin the battery replacement. Before starting the replacement, be sure to turn off the power and unplug the power cable from the power connector of the main unit. Next, remove the cover. Remove the 3 screws on the top of the cover with a Phillips screwdriver. Slide the cover slightly backwards and remove it. The battery is located behind the upper right side of the front panel. Press slightly below the center of the battery with your finger and pull the top towards you to remove the battery. Install the new battery in reverse order of removal, paying attention to the polarity. Finally, install the cover in the reverse order of when it was removed, and the battery replacement process is complete. Thank you for watching. The audio for this video is by Ondika 3.